Hello everyone, this is Apeksha from the Management Department. On behalf of Institute of Applied Medicines and Research, Ghaziabad, I would like to tell you about the Infosys program, where data meets business world. Meet Prashant Sharma, a visionary data strategist having 13 plus years of experience in harnessing data-driven insights to propel business excellence. A certified expert in Microsoft Office Suite, Power BI and Python, Prashant's innovative approach has yielded remarkable results with 50% decrease in the overall processing time, 25% reduction in the report preparation time, and 30% boost in the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the team members. Prashant sir has shown his technical abilities in fast data analytics technologies private limited and likewise in many other organizations where he has transformed the entire organization through data-driven decision making, process optimization and team collaboration.
As a part of Infosys initiative creating a large-scale impact through skilling youth, our program aims to employable young ones and making them industry ready, foster innovation, bridge the skill gap between academics and industry requirements, creating a team of IT professionals and banking sectors. At Infosys, we are truly committed to empower the youth and enrich the future of India. Join us in shaping the next generation of leaders and change makers.
Infosys has formed a partnership with IAMR to improve education and training in management and technology. This collaboration aims to connect students with real-world experiences through internship, workshop and projects. By working together, Infosys and IAMR provide students with valuable skills and knowledge needed for successful career in today's fast-changing job market. This partnership also focuses on important areas like digital skills and leadership, ensuring that IAMR graduates are ready to meet the needs of employers.
As a part of a promotion, IAMR is committed to equipping youth with the skills, knowledge and experience needed to thrive in a rapidly evolving job market. Through cutting-edge training programs, industry partnership and hands-on learning, IAMR ensures that youth are ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow's workforce. IAMR will train its students for high-demand sectors such as digital marketing, artificial intelligence, machine learning and analytics and skills over the next 2 years. It will help in enhancing employability, conducting collaboration and certification.
So, we thank IMR for providing us valuable and transformative opportunity to enhance our skills. The collaboration with Infosys has led to the remarkable initiative that has led students' development both personally and professionally. Thank you for your continued commitment with us and we are eager to apply the skills we learned at IMR.
We are looking forward for more such collaborations and we wish you all a very happy learning.